Hey everyone, it's Lynnea here for LDRS Creative, and it is day one of the September features. And this month, well today, we are featuring fall themed projects using the Halloween and Christmas 2022 collection. Make sure you come back and visit my channel tomorrow because I'm going to have a Christmas themed project for you. Alright, let's go ahead and start. I'm making a Halloween card and I'm using the diamond leaf stencils. This is one of my favorite layering stencils from this collection. And I love it because you can use these pieces individually on their own or use them together to create a really pretty leafy background. I'm starting with the polka dotted layer and I'm going to just blend on some ink. I'm using Key Lime Pie hybrid ink and just a blending brush, and I'm going to blend on to create those diamond polka dots. Now I've lined up my second layer, which is this leafy pattern, and I'm going to use two colors of ink here. I'm using In Your Face Orange and Tickled Pink, and just kind of doing some blobs of color. So I started with that In Your Face Orange and did 3 or 4 kind of color blocks or little blobs of color. And then wherever I didn't get the orange, I'm coming in with the pink, and then I'll just come back out with the orange and blend those together. And here is my finished background. I love that this could be used for fall or Halloween, or even if you did the colors differently, you could make this a Christmas background. I think it would be really fun to have the polka dots be red, kind of like holly berries, and keep the leaves green, and that would be a really pretty Christmas background. I stamped a whole bunch of images from the Halloween Party 4x6 stamp set. Now I only need one cauldron and one bear, but I did want 2 of the candy corn garland, and since I had to stamp that twice, I might as well just turn my panel 180 degrees and stamp all 3 images twice. That way if I make a mistake, I have a backup. I colored the cauldron green and the potion inside purple, but you're going to see that I ended up switching that in the final card. I'm using some warm grays for the bear. I use W7 and W6 on the nose. Then I'm coming in with W4, 3, 2, and 1, I believe, for the bear itself. And I just started with the darkest color, and then I'm blending out, just stepping my way down those warm gray marker colors until I have a fully colored in bear. Then I'll use the coordinating Halloween Party dies to cut these out. The only other thing I brought into this card was a circle that I die cut using the scallop circle dies. And you can see here that I cut it out of white, but in the end I switched it for vellum. I thought the white was just a little bit too much. I didn't like how stark it was looking. So I switched that out for a vellum circle. And so that made my images stand out a little bit because you can see here that they're going to kind of blend into the background. But it wasn't a whole bunch of white in my background. Whenever I find myself needing just a little something, I often reach for vellum. For my sentiment, I am using the large Halloween or large word Halloween dies. I love these dies. You can see that I've cut out a whole bunch of them and I just keep them in the back of my pocket with my dies. And I knew that I wanted to use that mysterious and spooky sentiment. It's one of my favorite ones. I love how big it is, but I wanted to go with orange to kind of keep it color coordinated with the background. And that's it. I added some clear glitter marker all over my images, and that finishes this card. Like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure you come back and visit my channel tomorrow. I'm going to have a Christmas themed card for you using this same collection. I have listed and linked all of the products I used in my video description below, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!